Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Virgos. We are picking few cards, guys. So first, for your general energies, Virgos, these are the cards. I'll be picking more cards from another deck, guys, for your relationship and career situation, Virgos. So we are picking one card each from this deck. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, Virgos. So we will start with the general energies, guys. We have 8 of Pentacles, the Hermit, 6 of Cups in reverse, Temperance and Page of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, Virgos, you are very skilled and talented person. So in your career you use all your skills and talents and people appreciate you greatly for that, and you are adored for, or you have admirers in your work situation. People are greatly impressed by the way you carry out your duties in your work. So you have those great skills and talents, and you are also a very knowledgeable person. So you know what actions will make things go in the right way, and you do that every time, each and every time. And I also see that you are thinking about some things today. Maybe something has come up, maybe your parent or your person or an older sibling or relative, they have suggested you some things. Maybe they are ready to help you out in some ways, maybe support you financially, or they are here to give you something, maybe some kind of an inheritance you are getting, but you are not willing to take it. You are quite hesitant, and they are giving it to you anyway. So you are thinking whether you need to accept that, or you are thinking about your future, maybe, guys. Maybe for some of you this may be the case, some kind of inheritance or gifts, some valuable gifts or expensive gifts you are getting from someone. It may be your parent, or it may be this some distant relative. So you are thinking whether to accept them, or for some of you it may be some news they are bringing, something which is taking you towards deep thought. You are thinking what you should do next, maybe, guys, in your situation. So, and I also see that no matter what troubles you are facing, let it be in your career or in your personal life, you are having that acceptance in your heart, guys. So you are trying to be really flexible, trying to overcome these worries or sadness, stress, whatever you have in your situation, and you are feeling harmony and balance. You are trying to balance your life today, guys, Virgo. So maybe there may be some bad news, or there may be some good news, or there may be someone coming to visit you, maybe, guys. Or for some of you, certain things you would have thought it is no longer existing, maybe some projects or some deals, you would have thought that it got suspended, and you would have taken up something new. But today again that something which got suspended, it is reviving again for some of you. So you are being really flexible, trying to adapt to the changes happening in your situation, Virgos, today. And you are finding the balance and peace of mind no matter what your situation is, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your general energy. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Ace of Moons. Such a beautiful card here for your relationship, guys. So Virgos, for those who are open to a new connection, open to a new relationship, you are going to find that, and there is going to be a good news in your life. Maybe if you are already in a connection, this person is going to have a child with you, or you are having a child with them. So some kind of happiness and love, and you are planning to start a family with this person, or share a home together. Maybe you are living together. So some kind of positive changes are happening in your situation. Or maybe for some of you, you are revealing about your future plans to your family, getting their suggestions, or they are doing that, getting their suggestions maybe from their family. So some positive news, good news, or some positive move towards marriage or deep commitment is what I see with this card, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. So it is the Devil in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are feeling really confident about how things are going today for you. So maybe you would have had some failures in your life before, and you are growing so much. You know what you need to do today. So you are confident no matter what your situation is, and you are seeing things with a better perception. So the right way to do things, you know that you have that clear knowledge in your situation, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your general energies, Virgos. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.